Hello everyone, we are under tornado warning right now. Where is my phone? We are under tornado warning right now. We have some rotation coming deadline for this area. So I thought, hey, why not video it in case there is a tornado that might get a lot of views. Always got to think outside the box. And I'm also going to go live on Twitter. New tornado watch just issued. That's great. I don't care about tornado watch. I care about the tornado warning that's beelining right here for it. Live tornado warning. Ooh, I feel that wind. Same on out in here. Florida. Go live. Look at that mezzo. Oh. I am currently live. Look at that mezzo, everyone. Right now I am under tornado warning, and as you can see, this whole thing is rotating. I can't see the rotation, but there is a tornado, or not tornado, there is rotation in that. The rotation is deadlining for where I am, and right now I am videoing with my Nikon. This is going to be insane. There's a bunch of lightning, a bunch of thunder. I do not see any tornado, which I am happy for right this second, because kind of in my house. I'm not storm chasing right this second, so. I'm going to pause it for 1 second, and then I'm going to do something. The hook is almost here. Oh. Beginning. Okay, everybody. Let me get back to Twitter. Tornado warning. Saying it. Okay, I'm back live. The rotation is basically about to come right over this area. I do not see any funnel or tornado, which I am really happy about. The rotation is getting stronger. No, actually I take that back. The rotation is actually broadening out, and it's kind of weakening, which is a good thing. The power is still on. Now my only hope is I don't get struck by lightning. Not so much a tornado. Wait a second, but stop shaking. We had some beautiful scud over there. We got the rotation. Let me point my camera. The rotation is right here. This whole area, basically right in front of me, is rotation. No tornado yet, but we just have not intense. It's not yet intense. Very strong rotation right now in St. Augustine, Florida. Oh, I can see that rotation. You can see all the clouds moving into the storm, which that's where the rain is. So you got the RFD right now swinging into the storm right here, the inflow tail. This is just a big, giant mezzo. And there is the mezzo. I think that maybe a wall cloud starting to form right there. I'm starting to feel some wind, which does not mean anything, but oh, actually it does. It means the RFD is starting to wrap around, which is not good. Whew. Here's the mezzo right here. inflow tail. I don't know why it's so bright right here where the precip is. What in the world just happened? Oh! Oh, not good. Yeah. I am a storm chaser, as you can see. Right now, I'm not storm chasing. This just happened. I woke up to a tornado warning, and I went outside. This is what I saw. Now, right now, it does not look too promising for a tornado at all. The meso is basically just about to come over me. I mean, look at that mesocyclone. Oh my goodness. Please tell me I'm getting this. Yes, I am. Dang. Oh, wow. This is definitely a... Well, actually, it's not a high precip. I think this is mostly just a classic supercell. But look at that meso. That's an inflow tail right there. Look at that beautiful meso. I think the storm is weakening because the storm is passing, and I can't really check my radar because I'm live on my phone. Look at that. Yeah. Can't really see the meso anymore. I think it's going right over me right now. No way. Please tell me that was the meso. Because there's another cloud. Let me stop with the broadcast. I'm going to go check it on the radar. And then, what you normally test. Severe weather Trevor, can you go check the radar since you're right there and watching live stream. Can you check the radar for me and see, no. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, you didn't feel any wind change when the meso came by. Can you see if the, where the rotation is? Oh, here comes the rain. This is really sad. I hear rain. Rotation just went over the beach and just over the ocean. It's much more broad now. Ah. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah, because right before it hit my area, it broadened out. Oh! Here comes the rain. I better